friends. So this is still blast jam tutorial. So today I made this welding machine from 2-mode microwave transformer, and this machine is very powerful. So I could get a stabilizer casing. So I place my machine, the microwave, the transformer. So I place it inside the stabilizer case. So this is the plug. I'm using 250 volts 16 amps, because here in Nigeria that's what we use. So 250 volts, and this is very powerful. I can weld with it with gauge 12 number electrode and gauge 10 number electrode. It welds great, even with 60-13 electrode. So this is very powerful. This welding machine is very powerful. So these are the terminal. This is the head, and this is the holder. This is the low voltage. Maybe I want to weld something light like pipe, so I use this with this two. But for heavy metals, or something like heavy metals, thick metals, so I use this, because these are the high ampere and this is the low. The output here is low. When I connect my holder to this and the head, this is head, both are head, but this is for the low, for low, and this is the high voltage, low voltage, high voltage. So let me show you what's inside. So I would like to show you what's inside so that you guys can build your own. So this is what's inside my ARC welder. So this is my ARC welder. These are the transformers which I used, and this welding machine is so powerful. So this is my switch, the on and off switch, on and off switch, and this is the indicator to indicate when working. This is my fan. This is 220 volts AC fan. So in order to cool the transformer, so I use wire harness from the transformer to wire up my transformer. So I wired it in series. So at this point, at this side, so I wired the transformer, the secondary. I cut off the secondary coil and I rewind my own. So I use a thick wire, and I got a wood cloth. So I use it to tape the wire around, just to make this ARC welder last long. And this can weld continuously. This is very powerful. You can weld with it continuously and without having any problem, because what I use to insulate my wire is a wool materials, and this can work for a long period of time. So this is very powerful. I used it to work and it was powerful. It was working great. Maybe in the next video I will show you how I'm using it. Now, so my winding at the transformer was okay, is 18 tons. I gave both of them 18 tons each, 18 here and 18 at the other, on in the second transformers, and it worked fine. It worked great. So my primary coil, I connected them in parallel. This is the primary coil below. This is the primary coil. So I hope you can see it. And this is the secondary coil. These are the secondary coil. These are the primary coil below the transformer. This is it. Now, so this is the power source, cable of the power source. This is the ground. This is the ground. I connected it to the body of the case. So this welding machine can replace any welding machine. This is an ARC welding machine, high amperage and low voltage. So this welding machine is producing 35, 36 or 37, around those side. It's producing around 35 volts. But here, because our light here is very low, so I could not use it to I cannot. That is why I won't test it. But in the next video, I will try to take it out and test it for you. So there are two projects I did. There are two projects. So the other project I'm going to show you now, but in another next video I will show you how I built it. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial on how to build your own ARC welding. So this welding, as I've said, it can replace any welding machine because this is very powerful. This is very, very powerful. So reason why I'm using all this wire, because all this wire, when the transformer is getting it, is producing it, I mean, when it is producing it, the fan will help in cooling, and all this wire will never get burned because they are made of like cotton. So have you seen it, like cotton, so it won't get burned easily. And so this welding machine is very powerful, as I've said, and strong. It is strong enough. You can use any electrode on it. It is powerful. So thank you and God bless you. So in the next project, I'm going to show you how I'm using it, because I gave it to someone, a welder, and the person used it. It worked great. Because okay, in the next video I'll try to take it out to give it to some welder, because I'm not a welder. I'm not a welder man, because I will try to give it to them, because I gave it to someone and the person weld with it great. So in my next video I'm going to show you, as I have said, how this machine will be used.